Hello, welcome to another session of OCD. Welcome to my workshop. A little while ago I did a video on my refurbished Karcher, my K4. And when I did that video I said initially that I didn't like the Karcher hose and I didn't like the gun and the lance that came with it. And then once I'd used it I actually really liked that. I thought it was really useful because the lance has a soft and a hard setting, which means it either comes out as a pressure washer or just like a garden hose, and I found that really useful when I did my wife's convertible. So I really liked that, and I thought, you know, that was quite good. And if you've got a Karcher with a new hose and that lance and that gun, you'll have no problems. They work perfectly well. However, I didn't want to use that for my car. I wanted to use my existing blue hose and my stumpy gun. And the problem that I had was with Karcher, you get these the different type of quick connect. So my existing hose wouldn't fit in here. So a few people were really kind and got in touch with me and said, Martin, you can change this connection on here to a different one that will fit your existing hose. You can even get adapters that go in here and you can connect your existing hose to it. And I almost went down that route, but then I thought, actually I really like the idea of this. This is quite useful. Plus when I clean the patio, this kit and this hose would be ideal for cleaning the patio. So I thought, well, I actually want the best of both worlds. I want to keep all that Karcher kit, but I also want to be able to use my blue hose and my stumpy gun. So I looked around for a solution and I couldn't see one. So I got in touch with Keith at Gleem Detailing. Now Keith it's a little family run business up in Yorkshire, and Keith owns it. He's always been so very helpful and knowledgeable. Customer service is brilliant. The kit that he sells is top quality kit, and that's where I bought my original stumpy gun that I use, and get it out, and my wand that I use, my lance, and that's where I bought my blue hose from. Now that blue hose is at least 3 years old, and it's as good today as the day I bought it. It's a top quality piece of kit. So I got in touch with Keith and said, look, I've got this issue where I actually want the best of both worlds. I want to use the hose that I bought from you, but also want to use from time to time I want to use the Karcher hose. So he said, Martin, that's not a problem, send your hose up to me and I'll sort it out for you, mate. That's exactly what I did. So I posted my hose up to Keith, and it came back this morning with a Karcher quick connect on the end. So I've now got the ability to plug my blue hose in and use my stumpy gun and my existing lance, or if I'm doing the patio I can plug get here in the right state here, get my Karcher hose. So I've got the best of both worlds. I haven't had to change this. I haven't had to get any adapters. I've just got the ability now to put my Karcher hose and my gun and bits and pieces when I want to clean the patio or do the wife's convertible, or if I'm just doing ordinary work on the car, then I've got my blue hose that I can use with my stumpy gun, and of course my lance fits into that. So there we are. I just thought I'd share that with you for two reasons really. One, to show you guys what I've done to get over the issue. The fact that I wanted to use both bits of kit on my washer. Keith's come up with a solution, but also there'll be people out there that have got the Karcher kit but really want to upgrade to a stumpy gun and a decent hose. Well, give Keith a call, tell Keith what you want, and he'll sort it out. And like I said, the quality of customer service and the quality of equipment that Keith has got is really second to none. You know, it's a family run business with family values. I can't speak highly enough of them. So there we go. Karcher Quick Connect on my hose. Piece of cake. I've got the best of both worlds and I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with it. Really pleased. The other thing that I wanted to mention is on Instagram about a week ago I saw an article or a picture of the this beanie hat. This is from Into Detailing, and I thought it was really interesting, and the reason I found it interesting was if you want a beanie hat you can pay anything from 10 to 15 to 20 pound. Most of them that I've seen are about 15 pound, but you can pay more for them. But Into Detailing have turned around and said, been very transparent, and they've said this hat costs them £4, but they sell it for £5, and the extra pound they give to charity, which I thought was really good. First of all, that they've got those sort of values where they're being really transparent, and secondly that they're supporting a charity. So when I ordered a few bits and pieces in the week from Into Detailing, I added this to it as well, so I bought this for £5. So Into Detailing bought it for £4, they sold it to me for £5, and the extra pound they put to charity. And I just think that's great. That's a great set of values. So I just thought I'd mention it just quickly. So there we go. If you're buying anything from Into Detailing, add a beanie to it. Keeps your head warm, especially if it's full of hair like mine. Actually that's what Paul Dalden needs, isn't it? His birthday's coming up, maybe he could get a beanie hat. So there we go. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.